Welcome to the second Scratch video. In this video, we will be learning about the X and Y axis and making a simple cat and mouse game where the player controls the mouse and a cat, which uses random position, catches the mouse. If the cat catches the mouse, the player loses the game. Now, what is the X and Y axis? For starters, let's go into the backdrop and change it to the XY axis backdrop. Now there you go. The vertical axis is Y, the horizontal axis is X, as you can see in this image. As you go further, it becomes a greater value, and as you go back, it becomes a less value. As we've discussed previously, the 0 point is the origin. The X point is always written at the start and the Y point is written on the right. Just experimenting with different values. Let's create a new project. Out here we want a different cat, not the standard sprite cat that we have always. He looks too happy as per what I think. So first we need to take a backdrop. And now let's take a cat. Cat 2. And let's take a mouse. done with the user interface. Now we have to go into the programming part. So if you click on the cat sprite, when the flag is clicked or when the game is started, you have to repeat forever. You have to repeat until a certain event is triggered, which will be in sensing. If the cat is touching the mouse, what you have to do, you have to stop the game. And we will go into that later, how to go after it's touching the mouse. Now we have to go to random position. So this will basically make it spawn into a random position every single time, but it's happening too fast. Now how do we change this? We simply add a wait block from control, which waits 1 second. It makes the cat wait 1 second. Yes, as you can see, it is moving. After the cat touches the mouse, you have to stop all the code, which is in control. And if you feel like, you can add a dialogue, which for me is called you. Now, instead of keeping just a steady motion block, which just makes it spawn in different locations, it's better to have a glide, which shows the perfect movement. And if the mouse gets stuck in the glide, it will be harder for the player. Now, how do we keep a movement for the mouse? You can change the weight as you want. Now, how do we add the movement for the mouse? We click on the mouse, we add some triggers, which is up arrow, left arrow, down arrow, and right arrow. We have to go motion. And change X, Y, or Z by a certain value. Now, after we've done that, we've set the exact positions of Y, X in the down arrow, up arrow, left arrow, and right arrow, which is 10, minus 10, 10 and minus 10 respectively. Now, what we have to do is change the costume so it looks like the mouse is moving. The stop all isn't working quite right, as you may see. The mouse is still allowed to move. So we can fix this one by broadcasting a message from the cat, and if the message is received, then do not move. Broadcasted, you can easily add an if condition. Say, if it's touching the cat, then go to the reset position, and then the game can